Did you know these incredible birds live only in the Philippines? Welcome back to part 2 of our Endemic Birds series, and some of these are so rare you might never have seen them before. Number 1. Palawan Peacock Pheasant. This is the Palawan Peacock Pheasant, found exclusively in Palawan. Watch how its iridescent feathers shimmer in the light during its courtship dance. It's truly one of nature's most dazzling performers. Number 2. Philippine Scops Owl. Next up, the Philippine Scops Owl. This tiny owl has oversized ears and bright orange eyes, making it a fascinating nocturnal hunter across forests nationwide. Number 3. Yellow-faced Flameback. The yellow-faced flameback is a rare woodpecker found only on Negros and Panay Islands. Its blazing yellow feathers and critical endangered status make it a true conservation priority. Number 4. Philippine Fairy Bluebird. The Philippine Fairy Bluebird looks like a jewel in the forest, with shimmering blue feathers that glow in sunlight. It lives in lowland forests from Luzon to Mindanao, enchanting bird lovers everywhere. Number 5. Azure-breasted Pitta. Known for its bright blue breast, the azure-breasted Pitta is a vibrant jewel of Mindoro's forests. Its colorful plumage blends perfectly with the lush greenery it calls home. Number 6. Philippine Trogon. The Philippine Trogon is often seen perched silently in lowland forests. Its stunning colors make it one of the most beautiful birds in the Philippines. Number 7. Blue-capped Kingfisher. With its flashy blue, red, and white feathers, the blue-capped kingfisher loves forest creeks in Mindanao, dazzling all who spot it. Number 8. Negros Fruit Dove. Once thought extinct, the Negros fruit dove was rediscovered in 2008. It's so rare that there are barely any photos. Truly one of the Philippines' hidden gems. Number 9. Negros Wattled Broadbill. The wattled broadbill of Mindanao has bright blue wattles around its eyes, giving it a unique, almost alien appearance that's unforgettable. Number 10. Philippine Hawk Eagle. Finally, the Philippine Hawk Eagle, a fierce raptor and top predator of the forest canopy. Known for its bold patterns, it rules the skies of Luzon, Samar, and Mindanao. Which bird amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more incredible Filipino wildlife.